there you guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another video and I'm gonna talk to you guys about 5 superfoods that you should include in your diet starting today. All of these things are very easily available both online and offline. They are packed with a lot of nutrients, proteins, fibers and a lot of other very healthy stuff like antioxidants, and इनको include करना अपने diet में, अपने regular diet में along with your junk food and regular दाल चावल is not that difficult because they are all ready to consume, ready to eat. कोई भी difficult recipes या कुछ भी वैसा involved नहीं है. Personally, I have been having all of these 5 superfoods for the past 5 months now. Maybe in the short term we don't understand the benefits, but trust me, if you really start having all of these things regularly since a young age, these will definitely have very positive impact in the long run. I generally don't make health related videos. This is not a health channel. If you are watching me for the first time, I'm just giving you a brief idea that I don't make health related videos. I thought of making a health related video today, firstly because I'm personally having all of these things and I feel a lot healthier and a lot better already. I'm not a nutritionist, so obviously all the benefits of these superfoods are not by heart to me. मुझे ये सारे benefits obviously याद नहीं रहते हैं, मेरे दिमाग के अंदर नहीं है, so I need to refer to something. So I've jotted down some points right here in this diary. So these are basically the benefits that these superfoods have. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा intro हो गया. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new on my channel, please consider subscribing. I make a lot of videos on reviews, hauls, tips and a lot of random videos, fun videos. Go check out my channel if you haven't already. But for now, let's get started with today's video. Now guys, I have 5 amazing superfoods listed down for you people right here, but I'm going to start with the smallest of the lot. So there is this statement which goes by great deals in small packages, छोटा bomb बड़ा धमाका types, and उसी से मैं start करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to start the list with chia seeds. Now how I like consuming chia seeds is I don't overnight soak it, because overnight soak करने से ना एक अजीब सा smell हो जाता है in the water. So what you need to do is when you wake up in the morning, just soak some chia seeds. I'll tell you how much. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in about half a cup of water and keep it soaked there for 30 minutes, and then आपको वो chia seeds consume कर लेना है. And once you consume the chia seeds, next 30 minutes के लिए आपको खाना नहीं खाना है. Chia seed के बहुत सारे expensive options आते हैं on Amazon, so be a little careful when you pick your chia seed. I'll just give you a very simple tip. आप chia seed जब search कर रहे हो Amazon पे, just go by the customer reviews. They'll give you pictures of the chia seeds as well. There are some chia seeds which are not very cleaned. बहुत ऐसे भी chia seeds मिलते हैं Amazon में which have a lot of pebbles and other things mixed in them, so please don't go for that. Please read the customer reviews carefully. So the one that I love having personally is the one from Grofers, जिसमें आपको 100 grams of chia seeds मिल जाता है for 125 rupees, which is actually the MRP. Most definitely the sale price will be even lesser, so you can definitely check out Grofers. अगर आपके सिटी में Grofers deliver करता है तो आप definitely Grofers check कर सकते हो. So अभी हम start करेंगे with the benefits. सबसे पहले it aids in digestion and I'll tell you why. It has a lot of fiber content, जिसके वजह से ना it will relieve constipation. आपके bowel movement को ना वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा help करता है. Also it really helps regulate cholesterol levels. तो if you have like borderline cholesterol, या फिर आप cholesterol से suffer कर रहे हो, incorporate that in your diet. It's really gonna help you. Next, it really helps in weight loss. Now I'll tell you why. Basically the chia seeds go inside your stomach and then they expand. बहुत ज़्यादा space आपके stomach का chia seeds खा लेते हैं, because of which your appetite reduces, your hunger pangs literally go away and you don't sit and binge eat, So it really helps in weight loss as well. It has a lot of omega-3 acid, which are the good fats, and they help in the nervous functioning of the body. Chia seeds have a lot of antioxidants and essential minerals which stop the growth of cancer cells, and they also are anti-aging in nature, because तो जैसे कोलेस्ट्रॉल को रिड्यूस करने में chia seeds आपकी हेल्प करता है. Similarly, it also helps maintain a healthy blood sugar level, जिसकी वजह से आपको healthy heart and bones मिल जाते हैं. In case you like to have gluten-free food, आप chia seeds consume कर सकते हो, because chia seeds have no gluten in them. Now moving on, the next superfood that I would like to talk to you guys about are flax seeds. ये भी एक टाइप के seeds होते हैं जिसके बारे में आपने डेफिनेटली सुना होगा. सो फ्लैक्स सीड्स में बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स है. इट इज ऑल्सो पैक्ड विद अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. इट इज अगेन अ वेरी रिच सोर्स ऑफ ओमेगा 3 फैटी एसिड्स. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स अगेन इन बाउल मूवमेंट. बहुत ज़्यादा फाइब्रस है इन नेचर. कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड ब्लड प्रेशर लेवल्स मेंटेन करने में आपकी हेल्प करता है. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ एन ऑल्टरनेटिव प्रोटीन सोर्स. तो इन केस आप एनिमल प्रोटीन नहीं लेते हो, आप फ्लैक्स सीड्स को अपने डाइट में डेफिनेटली इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हो. नाउ आई टेल यू हाउ आई लाइक टू हैव माई फ्लैक्स सीड्स. बेसिकली whenever I have an omelette, which is what I have on most days for breakfast, I like to sprinkle, a handful of flax seeds on my omelette. Trust me, it does not have any taste, okay? It's basically tasteless, but they are crispy in nature. तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है खाने में. इट्स नॉट बैड, ट्रस्ट मी. अगर आप वेजिटेरियन हो, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज व्हेनेवर यू हैव लाइक अ टोस्ट एंड बटर, यू कैन जस्ट स्प्रिंकल सम फ्लैक्स सीड्स ऑन इट. ट्रस्ट मी, यू कैन लिटरली स्प्रिंकल द फ्लैक्स सीड्स ऑन एनीथिंग. आप दाल चावल पे कर सकते हो, या फिर आप पुलाव के ऊपर डाल सकते हो, आप कहीं भी डाल सकते हो, बिकॉज उसमें ना आपका टेस्ट में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आता है. इट्स रियली रियली गुड फॉर यू. सो प्लीज ट्राई एंड इनकॉर्पोरेट फ्लैक्स सीड्स in your diet as well. Now moving on, the item that I have for you guys is basically amla juice. I had made a video on Apollo Pharmacies app, and उस वीडियो में मैंने आपसे आंवला जूस के बारे में बात किया था. So let me just start off with saying that amla is a great home remedy to treat cough and flu. एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स रिड्यूस कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल्स. डायबिटीज़ प्रिवेंट करने में आपकी हेल्प करता है. एजमेटिक कंडीशन जिनको होते हैं, जिनको एजमा है, उनके लिए भी आंवला जूस इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग टू हैव. इट ऑल्सो स्ट्रेंथन्स योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स इन फ्लशिंग आउट द टॉक्सिन्स फ्रॉम योर बॉडी. इट इज़ अ वेरी रिच सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन सी, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी नो. लेकिन उसके साथ साथ इसमें आयरन है, कैल्शियम है एंड फॉस्फोरस है, ऑल ऑफ विच आर लाइक ग्रेट मिनरल्स टू इनकॉर्पोरेट इन योर डाइट. एंड आंवला अगर आप डायरेक्टली कंज्यूम करते हो तो वो अगेन आपके हेयर ग्रोथ में हेल्प करता है, एंड आपके हेयर फॉल रिडक्शन में भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से आपकी हेल्प करता है. हाउ आई लाइक टू कंज्यूम आंवला जूसेस, आई टेक अबाउट 1 tablespoon ऑफ आंवला जूस इन अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, एंड मैं उसको पी जाती हूँ. उसके 30 मिनट्स पहले तक कुछ नहीं खाना, एंड उसके 30 मिनट्स बाद तक कुछ नहीं खाना आपको. ऑलराइट, मूविंग ऑन टू द फोर्थ सुपर फूड, आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू यू गाइज अबाउट almonds. Now almonds are so great, you guys. They are basically I think the king of dry fruits. मुझे almonds बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So I have been having 5 almonds regularly for the last 5 months, and they also have a lot of benefits associated with them. They are high in antioxidants and vitamin E. They also help you control your blood pressure. Cholesterol levels आपके reduce करने में help करता है, and they are a rich source of protein and fiber. So almonds आप overnight soak करके इसका जो peel होता है उसको निकाल के consume कर लो. 5 almonds every day. It's great. Try it. Alright, you guys. Now the last thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about in today's video is actually jaggery powder. So jaggery is a great superfood, you guys. I didn't know till recently that it has so many benefits. Initially मैं सोचती थी कि it is just like an alternative for sugar, and वो sugar का substitute है बस, that's about it. Case you have loads and loads of coffee and tea throughout the day, and आप बहुत ज़्यादा like sugar intake कर रहे हो ना, you can just replace sugar with jaggery powder. At least in the case of tea and coffee, वो परफेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट है. कोई भी टेस्ट डिफरेंस आप फील नहीं करोगे अगर आप जैगरी के साथ चाय पीते हो या कॉफ़ी पीते हो. इनफैक्ट मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है जैगरी के साथ चाय कॉफ़ी पीना. जैगरी इज समथिंग विच यू कैन यूज़ इन योर डिजर्ट्स इज वेल. आप अगर घर में केक बना रहे हो या फिर खीर बना रहे हो, just add jaggery instead of sugar. Now jaggery is also available on Grofers, like Grofers has their own jaggery, and jaggery is very good by Organic Tattva also. So Organic Tattva is a brand जो आपको मेरे ख्याल से Grofers में मिल जाएगा, and also Amazon I think has Organic Tattva. So jaggery is something which again helps in preventing constipation, and it works as a body cleanser because it helps detoxify the liver. It also helps you fight with flu-like symptoms like cold and cough. आपका blood purify करता है. It helps boost your immunity. COVID के time पे if something helps boost your immunity, go for it. It has a lot of antioxidants and minerals. It is very rich in iron, because of which it helps in the prevention of anemia. So helps control your blood pressure levels, and joint pain आपका reduce करने में help करता है, aids in weight loss, and again is a very very good source of energy. So those were the superfoods जिनके बारे में मैं आपसे बात करना चाहती थी, and all of them have so many amazing benefits associated to them. A lot of these benefits are actually common, like most of these superfoods aid in digestion, they help detox your body, they help prevent constipation, they have a lot of protein, they have a lot of fiber, they have a lot of nutrients, and all of these things, like I already mentioned, are very very easily available. So go for them, invest some money into these good things also. I know festival का time चल रहा है, and you know we have purchased things for Diwali, for Dhanteras, आगे हम क्रिसमस में भी करेंगे, एंड यू नो वी कीप बाइंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड अदर मटेरियल थिंग्स. थोड़ा सा पैसे इन्वेस्ट करके आप हेल्दी चीज़ें भी खरीद के अपने लाइफ में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हो. आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, इफ इवन वन ऑफ यू feels motivated to incorporate these superfoods into their lives, I will feel blessed. Trust me, I will feel so happy. I'll feel like I've done something really good for you guys. So yeah, that was my video for today. I really hope that you found it helpful. If you did, let me know what you felt about the video in the comment section below. And also, before you leave the video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Share it with your friends. It is a helpful video. I will see you in my next video, which is going to be really soon. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love to you guys. Bye bye.